Spearpoint Application Lance. So what we're going to do is just do a quick rundown on how the Spearpoint Application Lance works. There's two parts to the application lance. The back part's called the bulb, and this front copper section is called the straw. So if you want to put powder into the bulb, all you do is just unscrew the straw. You'll notice that the collar, which is that brass section that stays in the bulb, will remain in place, and you just apply the powder in there. One little trick is you can put in a small rock or a pebble or a marble or something, and that can allow you to shake the powder up and allow it to come out the end of the straw a little bit easier. Then you just screw the straw back in, and that will allow you to apply the powder out the end of the straw. Now, for some reason, you manage to pull the collar out of the bulb, it should remain in there. It's not hard to put it back in. If it doesn't go back into the bulb correctly, you will find that it won't seal around the base of the straw there, and you'll end up with air or powder coming out. So if we just get in a little bit closer here, you'll see that there is a groove on the collar, which is that section there. And you'll see in the bulb, there's like a little rubber channel, and that rubber channel needs to sit in the groove of the collar. So to put that back in, all you do is tighten that up, put the straw back into the bulb, and just work it around on an angle in a circle, and you will be able to just push it back in. It should go all the way down and should be located right the way you can actually see through the side of the bulb there that rubber groove is actually now sitting in the channel. So when you apply the powder, there's nothing coming out the back, there's no leaks, no powder coming out there, and that's all set up correctly.